April 2028, RMS TITANICA, 7,500 souls. 3 days from port, 1,200 feet long, 22 decks, moving at full speed into fog. "5,400 passengers. They called her the Unsinkable Future."
Bridge to engine room, reduce.
Ward requested a speed reduction. The answer was no. Maya Bennett had flagged hull stress issues before departure. Ross wrote in his notepad, "Full speed, dense fog, 10:47 p.m.
Captain, we're seeing some concerning hull stress readings.
Understood, Chief. Keep me informed.
Iceberg, right ahead.
Hard to starboard! Full!
Six compartments breached. She was built to survive 4.
We're taking on water fast! Get on the phone, now!
Maya ran the numbers. Less than 90 minutes left.
All passengers, please return to your cabins and locate your life jackets as a precautionary measure.
She looked intact, but the bow was already going under. Lifeboats for 3,200. Over 7,500 people aboard. Mayday at 0023. Nearest rescue, 4 hours out. Lily Carter, 8 years old, her first ocean crossing.
Come on, almost there. Just a little more.
I can't. It's too cold.
Move!
From the lifeboats, thousands still aboard, going down. The hull was splitting, 2 halves being torn apart. Ward never left the bridge. He gave his life jacket away. The stern rose 600 feet. Then she was gone.
Help! Over here! Please!
This way, move! Keep going!
Maya Bennett had flagged hull stress issues before departure.
Please remain calm. We are doing everything we can. Move towards the aft section slowly.
Fracture progression. Diagonal, 45 degrees. Consistent with hull torsion.
Last lifeboats at 1:51. Some crew never made it off. Lily watched from the lifeboat. She remembered everything.
It's going!
1:53 a.m., RMS Titanica left the surface. Gone in 80 minutes.
SOS, this is Lifeboat 4, RMS Titan. Can anyone hear me?
Over. Help! Is anybody there? Over here. Please help us! Look, lights! They're coming for us! Fire the flares!
3 hours later, rescue lights on the horizon.
Survivor spotted, starboard bow.
The Resolute pulled 847 survivors from the water.
How many?
Not many, sir. We're still searching.
A life ring, a child's drawing, all that was left. By dawn, 4 ships, 6 helicopters, still searching. (1,200 feet, 7,500 souls, gone in 80 minutes.